All right, trade breakdown on NZDCad. First and foremost, I saw that the market was bearish. Okay, so this is how I caught this particular sell from this particular level down to this particular level. So it was a very beautiful one. This is how I did it. So first and foremost, what we look for is the market direction, which we saw that the market was dropping, making lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, in that order. So I just knew that this market was bearish. All right, so at that point, it got to a point that I saw that the market had given us a very beautiful counter trend line like this. So when we gave the beautiful counter trend line, I was only waiting to see the market come back and test the counter trend line while sweeping liquidity, establishing a strong confluence. So I saw that it has swept this particular liquidity, and I was very happy about it. So at the point when it swept the liquidity and bounced on the counter trend line, all that I was waiting for was my entry model. And the entry model looks like this. You just want to see the market. Let me draw it right here. We just want to see the market move like this, create an area of liquidity, move again, push up, now create more liquidity areas, something like this, and then come back, sweep all this liquidity before we drop. It is that simple. So that's exactly what I saw here, but then I'm going to zoom in for us to look at it carefully. All right, so you realize that at this particular point, yeah, all right, so let's look at the entry model. So first and foremost, you look at the fact that we moved from this particular point of interest, we came down, it gave us our area of liquidity here, then we came down again, we moved up here, down below, and then we moved up to come and sweep the area of liquidity. So at that particular point, this was my area of liquidity. Okay, yes, this was my area of liquidity. So given that I had this area of liquidity and I saw that the market had come and then rejected at my area of liquidity, it was an immediate sign for me to sell. So once it rejected there on the 1 hour, I could quickly enter this particular trade and look for a very beautiful sell. All right, so you look at where it rejected. So I was just monitoring for the rejection, which is very important to me. I wanted it to reject midway. All right, so on the 15 minutes, we just wanted it to reject midway so that we could quickly enter and then take our profit and go. So midway in the zone was something like this. So quickly, there's something like this. So once I saw that this candle had come into the zone and then it had rejected on the 15 minutes, it was an immediate sell from here downwards. All right, so our stop loss was above the pivot, and then I was looking for between 1:5 to 1:10. So yeah, this was the trade. Very beautiful, very big, and it could do so much for us. So at 1:10, 1:11, it was enough for us to leave the trade. All right, so like my page and share my videos. Thank you.